People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now the day is finally here. What can I say, people? It was a good run. Sir P has finally been exposed. People, today, well, you'll be hearing this video on Sunday. So today, which is the Saturday, I received a full-scale attack from the sheep seals from all different angles. Instagram account, YouTube account. They gain access to all kind of personal details. There are now images circulating showing me in my uniform, right? Showing my other people from the batch I was in, right? As a young JDF recruit. People, my wife, the family, I said to me that it's best that I just leave this YouTube thing alone. There are also, not only are there pictures, there are also addresses. Somebody said to me that, Sir P, they've also cracked your voice, right? Them said them finally get to re-engineer the voice. So people, they might have everything, pictures, address. As you can see, at first, multiple people tried to extort me yesterday. People were saying, oh, Sir P, and if you give it this, or else I could release that, and we break down this, and we're going to send it to them people here. And if you don't give me this, I got all kind of attacks people. And of course, the fees they were demanding. And this is just one of the pages I managed to screenshot, but I received at least, as I said, a good 3 or 4 people message me trying to extort me. People, it was a good run. Right, Patreon squad, please listen out today for about, let's say in exactly 2 hours time from this video. Patreon squad, I'll be getting in touch with you as to what will happen next, right? But people, as I said, the wife has said to me, of course the family comes first, right? Of course, in some of the pictures of the addresses, right? Then break down the voice. I don't know who pulled this off, but all I have to say is well done, right? So people, as I said, I'm going to link up with Patreon squad. Patreon squad just want to wait out. I'll get back to them, right? Make them know what is up, right? And then, yeah, that's it for YouTube, people. I'll probably post, you know what? Yeah, I don't even know what to say right now, people. As I said, the pictures, pictures is one thing, pictures and the address is one thing, because of course the wife, as I said, the wife is very worried, naturally, right? The family is very worried, so people, yeah, as you can tell, I'm very confused. It's not the usual Sir P, so hey, I guess bite off more than I could chew this time, right? So, well, it was good while it lasted, right? I might love Jamaica, but I love my wife, I love my relatives, love my loved ones more. So people, yeah. Anyway, everybody, let's go on big up. Stay safe.